Alright guys, came here, got invited to this clean culture show, season closer they call it. Put the flyer right here in the corner. I've always come to these just because it's a mix of like everything. They have like JDM, Euro, American, bikes, two-step, burnout, like they do the whole thing. And I think they started off like street style and then now they're like an actual show. So big ups to them, you know, for doing it. I just like it because it's like down the street from my house. So I always come to these. They usually have it at like Santa Anita Park, which is like the mall, which is really close to my house. And then, or like right now it's at Irwindale, where like every meet's been at Irwindale lately. And it's fine, like I don't mind. Like I prefer how close it is, but sometimes I like a nice little drive. Like get a crew together, drive with the homies. And then the crowd's different too, because if it's at Irwindale, the crowd's usually like the same crowd, so you want to kind of like get exposure for other crowds. But I'm gonna walk around the show. I'm gonna pick like my favorite car, as usual. That's what I want to do with all the shows. I'll pick my favorite build. Obviously mine doesn't count. And this is the first time LA has seen my Supra, so no one's really seen it in person yet. I don't know if anybody knows about it or not. I'm not gonna assume everyone follows me, but let's check out some of the show. This guy has a Lambo, you guys, right here.
It's a rental.
He owns it.
It's a rental.
He owns it. Hit him up in the DMs.
Yeah, for sure. What up?
I just get lips. Hold up. It's the owner LD97 Forge right here. He's giving me 500 bucks for this advertisement right here. So 500, right?
I think so.
From him.
4, 5.
Yeah.
Tactics.
Yeah.
Man, look at my ride right now.
I like the BBS, dogs.
Dude, I like your freaking Supra, dude. It's just clean.
Thanks, bro.
It sounds amazing, man.
Thank you,
That's the
bro.
first time I saw it. I heard it in person.
Thank you, man. Clean ass FD.
Thank you.
It's a pretty sick car, dude.
Yeah, man.
Nice
Take it
meeting
easy,
you,
dude.
brother. Nice meeting you. You guys already know this car right here. The R34.
Later.
All right, guys, we're back. It was too dark and loud and whatever the fuck at Clean Culture, but we're back. Supra's back. But I got best of show, and this is the trophy. Boom. Honestly, I'm pretty happy about this because obviously it's the best award you can get at this specific car show, but I won best of show last weekend in Vegas for Supras in Vegas, but that was like a Supra only thing. This show, there was a lot of cars. As you guys saw in my vlog, I liked a lot of the cars. I think probably the DC2 with the K20 swap might have been my favorite one. But I had a few cars that I thought were super, super clean and done up. And so to win Best of Show is pretty, what's that word I'm looking for?
Pretty fucking epic.
It's pretty fucking epic. So for all the new faces that I met, it was nice meeting you guys. Just come up, say what's up. You know, if I'm not busy, just come say what's up. I'll tell you guys about the car, whatever you want to know that you already don't. And for those of you that are just tuning in, I got a lot of crazy plans for this car. I haven't even gone wide open throttle yet. So when that happens and the diff is good and all this shit, we're gonna do crazy shit. We're gonna do hoonigan shit. We're gonna basically gonna fucking jack off in my own car and fucking come everywhere. All right, guys. So at first I was gonna do these, and it looked dope to me because I saw a lot of purple in it. But when we put it on, as you can see here, it looks like it has a lot of blue. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but almost too much blue. And then we tried the polish ones right there, and that almost kind of takes away from the hardware, obviously. And then we have this other titanium color where it's more colors. It has a lot of green in it. It just multicolors more, and I think it looks better like that. We all voted that this looks the best for the car, just like little JDM touches with the hardware. So we're gonna do the BBS green here. It's already green. We're gonna try to go green center cap, green sticker, titanium hardware, but this titanium, and it's gonna fucking match the paint of the car really well. It's hard to envision it right now. I can kind of, but it's gonna look super sick. I got Ryan back here. All right. Here's the thing. I looked at my vlog, I watched my vlogs, I watched all the footage, and fucking, okay. The burning work Ryan did on the tips look amazing. You guys saw it close up. That shit is like insane. The problem is, when you put it on a midnight purple car, it literally disappears in pictures. So we went back to full polish and just burning the tips. I think this is the move. We'll put the diffuser on and I'll show you guys, but I really think this is the fucking move. Okay? Boom. I think this is a move, guys. We're gonna drop the car and then I'm gonna show you when it's on the motherfucking ground. Ah! I built my own shit. Fucking build this whole thing. I fucking did the exhaust myself.
The guy fucking that shows up last second of the day and he fucking bolts it up. I fucking built it. I fucking stripped the frame.
Hand fucking built. Bye, Ryan. All right, guys, we got the wheels on. Just so you guys know, this is temporary fitment. We're going a half an inch bigger on all four of the square setup. They're 19 by 10, tire size 285, 30, 19. They're Sport Cup 2s, the track ones. And we're going with a half inch bigger all the way around. Same tire size, get more stretch. So this is not the final look. And the caps are gonna be green. We're waiting on the green center caps to come back. But I wanna give you guys an idea of what it looks like. I think it looks sick, especially with the exhaust polish now and the tips burn. Gotta check this shit out.
Wait a minute. Did he find? Oh, he's looking for it still?
But mainly the clear bra.
Yeah, right? Yeah, there's no coming back to that.
So yeah, the stretch, I prefer a little bit more stretch than this, and we're gonna get that with the 1/2 inch bigger, but it looks sick. I know I say comment in the comments, but I really want you to comment in the comments, and I want to count it. Would you guys rather have these 2 Italian cars or these 2 Japanese cars? 360 gated, Mercy gated, both on BBS's, or R34 GTR and by 2JZ Supra. Which one would you guys rather have? To be honest with you, they're pretty good. It's a pretty good versus. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Which 2 would you rather have? Those 2 or these 2? And no offense taken by me or Rob, obviously.
These are a lot more fun. That's more fucking, just, you know.
Okay.
Ferrari and Lamborghini.
Yeah, of course.
I'd mix and match.
Wait, take those 2? Or those 2 or what?
Probably get these 2.
Yeah.
I'd get the Mercy and the R34.
That's not an option for you guys in the comments, okay? So which 2 would you rather have?
Which 2?
Yeah. You gotta pick these 2 or these 2. And no offense taken for anything, obviously.
You're up.
These 2? Okay.
Congratulations! Oh my god.
Fuck you.
I got you.
Which 2 would you take?
For me, I'll take yours, bro. I'm JDM for life, baby.
Sick. You ain't wrong.
I just want to show you this though. Well, we can't show anybody, but it's all good.
Okay, let's just film it.
I'm in love with your car, dog. Bruh.
That looks like on some,
Bruh!
like a vintage lens too, kind of.
Bro.
That's sick. Fuck. And that shot looked kind of hard. Like I said, it's not the finished product, but it looks sick. I feel like there are a lot of colors right now. I'll tone it down. I just really wanted red caps. It's either red or black. So I want red because obviously. Boom. But yeah, of course, some are gonna like it. Some are gonna not like it. Some are just gonna have to get used to it. But I officially think it's sick. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys next episode.